In this tutorial we're going to do the joints of the left hand here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the skeleton tool here, joint tool, and then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to start with a joint here, here, and here, and enter it. And then what we're going to do here is I'm going to rename, and I'm going to put left underscore finger underscore 01. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to control D, click here, control D, and then we're going to have left finger 02. I'm just going to move over, and then Command D, and then I've got left finger 03. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these, and I'm going to start with the hierarchy. So just the left finger 1, 2, 3, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring them right up into the hand, get them into position. I can go F like this just to get them into position. If you find the joints are a little bit too large, you can go in here, display, objects display, oh here we are, animation, joint size here, and you can reduce the joint size if you like, although the joints won't render. So I'm just going to close that. We've got all three in position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one, joint 1, left finger 1, and then I'm going to shift, and just going to check it here on the, so it's not bad. So I'm going to go shift, and I'm going to select the palm joint, and I'm going to go P to parent. So if I go into, select this one, see in the hierarchy, and then I go into the left, there's the left palm there, so I'm going to shift, select here, I should be able to P to parent it, yeah, and then I'm going to go here and shift and select left palm again, and then P to parent, and then left finger 3, shift and select the palm and P to parent it. So we've got all of these parented to the palm joint. So then I'm going to go into the skeleton again and do the joint tool, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a joint here, undo that, go down the thumb, 1, 2, 3, and enter that, and then 1, 2, 3, enter that, and then you can rename that left underscore thumb. Okay, and make sure that you're moving it up into position again, and check it in all the different viewpoints. F here, still a little bit high, bring it down, check it here, get it close to your geometry, and move it in a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the left thumb and shift and select the left palm and hit P to parent. So there we have the skeleton structure for the hand. And again, what you can do is just check in here that the X is going down the hand, down the finger. Check this, it's all going down. You can check it from this viewpoint as well. Have a look, and if you're happy with it going down, and it should be, because all of them have been duplicated. going down. Okay, and the last one is the orientation of the world axis. So, and then if you mirror this over the same way as we did before with behaviour, you take the other arm off if it doesn't have the hand on it, and then just mirror the whole arm over from the clavicle with the finger joints all in position, and that should help you with the hand. And that ends the tutorial with building the skeletal structure for the hand.